Unit 6, page 48. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
Have some tea, Mother.
Thank you, Henny.
Please have some cake, Grandmother.
Thank you, Hannah.
Unit 6, page 49. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother.
Unit 6, page 49. Exercise 2. Listen and say the number.
Who's this? This is my grandfather.
2.
Who's this? This is my father.
4.
Who's this? This is my brother, and this is my sister.
5.
Who's this? This is my mother.
3.
Who's this? This is my grandmother.
1.
Unit 6, page 50. Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Flag, f, flag, f. Tea, t, tea, t.
Unit 6, page 52. Exercise 2. Sing and do.
Hello, what's this? Show me, please.
Here's a card, it's a card for you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Help me some water, please. Here's some water, it's water for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, help me a pencil, please. Here's a pencil, it's a pencil for you. Thank you, thank you.